Hey guys, my name is Big S681. Welcome to another GTA5 Fast and Furious 6 vehicle tutorial. In this one we'll be doing the 1971 Jensen Interceptor, driven by Letty. The closest we can get to this car is using the D-Class Rhapsody. So once you buy yourself one of those, you can head over to a mechanic shop. Now, as always, this car is already fully upgraded with armor, brakes, transmission, engine. It's got bulletproof tires, it's got a turbo, and the suspension is lowered all the way because you want that to be lowered all the way. So starting with the exhaust, the movie car has this side pipe exhaust, which this does have, so you want to equip that. Fenders, could put the flared arches on if you wanted. The hood, just put the one that has the stripe on it. Lights already have xenons on here. Plate, we're going to skip that because we're going to do a color glitch. So for the primary color, you want to go to matte light gray. Select metallics. Scroll through the metallics. Don't select any. Back out. Go to your plate. And then put on the black plate. Since the movie car doesn't have a license plate, we're going to put the black one on so it blends in. Then you can go back to respray. And then you can go into pearlescence. You want to put on a frost white pearlescent. And for the secondary, you can just do a matte gray. There's no spoiler, I already hit the suspension. Windows, you can go throw on a dark smoke limo if you really wanted to. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Now for the wheels, you can go to tuner. You want to put on the Chakudori wheels. And for the color, you want to select bronze. I already have bulletproof tires on here. You don't need custom tires. The movie car doesn't have that. And that's your car. So that's your finished car. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one.